All right, so in a tin, which was inside of another tin, bigger than it. $1 pieces, pennies. $1.
That ain't nothing but a quarter.
It's kind of like an old nickel down there. Nope. Then Ty, he found. What was it in, Ty?
Like a coin jar.
A coin jar?
Like, you know, people saving the money up.
Two $2 bills. And then a bunch of $1 pieces.
I found the $2 bills.
I got like 6, 7 $2
They was
bills.
in a-
You know how much those $1 pieces go for?
Those two $2 bills was in a Ziploc bag.